Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then access it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app and select Open in Pop-up View. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. In order to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button. And to access it, click on the bubble. You can also close your app by turning it into a bubble and then dragging it to remove section at the bottom. You can also drag your window or simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!